The AVID Power Compact Router AR111 is equipped with a robust 6.5 amp motor, providing ample power for a wide array of woodworking tasks. With its variable speed control ranging from 10,000 to 32,000 revolutions per minute, this router allows for precise customization depending on the material being used. For enhanced accuracy, the router features a smooth rack-and-pinion depth adjustment system, accompanied by dual LED lights to illuminate darker working environments. The ergonomic design includes a rubber-covered handle, which ensures a comfortable grip during prolonged use, and a quick locking system for easy depth adjustments and base changes. Built with a durable aluminum housing, the router promises longevity, while its dust hood efficiently clears debris, maintaining a tidy workspace. The package is comprehensive, including essential accessories such as 5 router bits, an edge guide, a roller guide, and a 12.1-foot cord, making it a versatile tool for any woodworker.